Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to rotate a picture in Adobe Photoshop. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. Once you are done with that and you are in the home page, you can just press on a picture and after that press on crop down below. Now you can just press on rotate and you can just rotate the picture here. You can see how it's going to rotate manually if you swipe. Now you can also rotate it like this, so the entire picture will be rotated. You can flip horizontal and you can also flip it vertical, depending how you want it to. After that you can just simply leave and any change that you have made there will be saved. So that's pretty much it really. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.